Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The title says it all. How to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Phantom 2025. Whether you're looking to move your assets for better security, staking, or just exploring the Solana ecosystem, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have both the Coinbase and Phantom apps installed on your device. If you don't have Phantom yet, it's a popular wallet for Solana-based tokens, so download it from the App Store and set up your wallet. Once that's done, open your Coinbase account and log in securely. Step 1. In Coinbase, navigate to the Assets tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, let's say you're moving SOL. Click on it and then hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, so switch over to your Phantom app now. In Phantom, go to the Wallet section, select the account you want to receive the funds, and copy the wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers, double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Back in Coinbase, paste this address into the Recipient field. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to send and review the network fees. Before you confirm, ensure you're using the correct blockchain network. For Phantom, that's usually Solana, so match that in Coinbase to prevent any transfer issues. Once everything looks good, hit Send, and confirm the transaction with your two-factor authentication. Now, head back to Phantom and keep an eye on your wallet. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. And voila, your crypto is now safely in Phantom. A quick word of caution. Always double-check addresses and amounts to avoid losses. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.